Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can tell by the title of this video, I am pretty much showing you and telling you what I use to get a salon style blowout at home. So this is my hair now. We were at 3, no lie, maybe like the 4th day in the morning of my hair being done and not washed, tú sabes. So I do I'll link like the hair growth video that I did up here on the card. If you see a pop-up, you could click on that too. But I don't wash my hair more than twice a week because I do have a lot of falling out issues, you know what I mean, like my hair falls out a lot, so I don't wash it more than twice a week, and I don't style it more than once a week. So if I style it with one wash, the next wash I won't style it, just to prevent a lot of heat on my hair. So what you guys see me using here, it's a Neautrogena leave-in cream. Everything will be down below as always, but I put this on when my hair is already more than 50% dry, maybe like 60-ish% dry. So I take it on my head wrap, my towel head wrap, put this cream on the ends, and whatever is left, I run it through my hair. Not directly on my scalp because I don't want to get any type of like dandruff from the products I'm using. So I just run it through my roots, not actually touching my scalp, if you know what I mean. Also, I'm so sorry if you guys hear Lily chomping like a monster in the background, but I had to do this voiceover. I have to get my video uploaded, you know, like we have to stay on the schedule. So next thing I am using is this Tresemme. It's like a styling protector. Again, all the names don't have it on the top of the dome, but it will be down below. Look at that. Oh, that's a style. So that's what you see me doing here. And I believe that's the last product I use in my hair before going in with my styler. So I'll be back when I show you guys that. So this is the tool that I've been using. I am absolutely obsessed with it. It is like the Revlon Volumizing Styler Situation. The exact name will be down below, but I got this off of Amazon, and the style I got, like the color and stuff, I believe wasn't more than like $60, but it's so good. I get that with my rat tail ended comb. Also those clips, those like styling clips, is what you're gonna be seeing me use when I like portion out my hair and stuff. But I take that rat tail comb, split my hair in half, put that up with one of the scrunchies that don't bend your hair, supposedly. So that's what I'm doing there. And yeah, work in sections so that way you don't get overwhelmed with your hair, and that way you can focus on like actually getting everything pretty sleek, pretty done. And yeah, what else do I have to tell you guys real quick? That's about it. Oh, one more thing, it does have a high, low, and cool option. So right here, when you see me starting off with like the first section of hair, I did start off on high, and I noticed it was getting a little too hot for me to even hold the other end of the styler, so I did put it back on low. But mind you, my hair was like 60% dry at this point. If my hair would have been wetter, like maybe 50% or less, then I would have had to go in with high, which I've done before. But yeah, just keep in mind what amount of heat you're using on your hair, and you should be good.
Abrázame toda la noche, no nos queda mucho tiempo más. No quiero perder lo que queda. Seguimos siempre la pasión y confiamos solo en el amor. Yeah. No quiero perder lo que queda. Y más allá. A través de la gran oscuridad, hasta que me convierta en rayos. Y más allá. A través de la gran oscuridad.
I'm here drinking a protein shake. Like, who do I think I am? I don't know, but that is what you guys are gonna see me drink. And I hate when people don't like really say what they're drinking, because I don't know, I'm weird like that. So that's what I was drinking. But something I did want to say about this styler is if you see me going in here, you see that I don't really get all that close to my roots or my scalp. Like, because it is a bit on the bulkier side, it's hard for me to get right on the root, which then I noticed that my root kind of wants to wave up. I don't have super curly hair, but I have wavy hair, so then I have to like really go back in and go closer to my scalp. But that is literally the only thing, and that's not like a styler problem, that's just like a you have to get closer to it problem. But yeah, so if you're gonna do that and get closer to your roots, so it's like straight from the get and you don't have like those weird patches in your hair, then make sure you do have it on low, because the high setting on this is like really high. But yeah, that was the only tip I was gonna say, is make sure you pay attention to like the first inch of your hair closer to your scalp, because you don't want that to look wavy while the rest of your hair looks bomb. So yeah, keep an eye out for that. Another tip I have for you guys is to make sure you know what you want to do when it comes to the ends of your hair. So you can either like flip it in or flip your hair out. What I do is, for this bottom half that you see me doing, I flip it in, I curl it in with the end of the styler, and then with the top half sometimes I like flip it out. Why? I don't know, I just feel like it looks cute, like the whole hair doesn't just mesh in, it looks more like done / undone. I don't know, like, you know what I mean. I just don't flip it all one way. That's just what I do. And then you're gonna see that with the front of my hair, I do I do something a little bit different. A través de la gran oscuridad, hasta que me convierta en rayos, y más allá. A través de la gran oscuridad, y más allá. So when you get to the front of your hair, like where your part is, wherever your part is, what I do is I do this, exactly what you're seeing. I blow dry it completely forward, not to the side. So straight out in front of my face, I blow dry it first. Then I focus on really finessing like the part of it. And this that you see me doing, like blow drying it towards the back of my head, is because then when you flip it over, you have more volume in the front. So that's just like a little tip of what I do. So again, real quick, blow dry it straight in front of you, like in front of your forehead, if you know what I mean. Then blow dry it to the side, and then when you're like liking how that looks, you blow dry it to the back and then just flip it forward, so that way you have a good amount of volume, which is what this wants to give us. And you see me doing that again right here, forward, back. Make sure my new hair growth is hiding because it sticks up like a chicken. I look like a chicken sometimes. En número, en solo nuevos horizontes, seremos miles. Crecemos en número, en solo nuevos horizontes, seremos miles. Alright guys, so I do the same exact thing to the other half of my hair. So I think I'm just going to let you guys rock with a little bit of music, a little bit of ambiance. And yeah, I'll be back when I gotta be back.
Abrázame toda la noche, no nos queda mucho tiempo más. No quiero perder lo que queda. Seguimos siempre la pasión y confiamos solo en el amor. Yeah. No quiero perder lo que queda. Y más allá, a través de la gran oscuridad, hasta que me convierta en rayos. Y más allá, a través de la gran oscuridad. Y más
I was playing 90 Day Fiance, like where are they now kind of thing in the back, so that's why you guys see me looking towards the back here and there, because there was just some scenes I was like, damn, I can't just hear this, like I have to look at this. But yeah, that's my show. Comment down below if you relate. But reality shows are very addicting and so not useful, but it's a bad habit. Gotta kick the habit. But that's what I was watching. Just want to put y'all on real quick.
Abrázame toda la noche, no nos queda mucho tiempo más. No quiero perder lo que queda. Seguimos siempre la pasión y confiamos solo en el amor. Yeah. No quiero perder lo que queda. Y más allá, a través de la gran oscuridad, hasta que me convierta en rayos. Y más allá, a través de la gran oscuridad. Y más
Alrighty guys, so my last tip is that I do go through my whole head of hair, which I did right before I turned off the styler, on the setting cool, just to set everything, make sure my head doesn't get frizzy. My hair doesn't get frizzy. And yeah, I also go back in a lot to this middle part in the back, because I feel like that's where we all kind of have those wavy sections, and then you look crazy and no one tells you that the back of your head looks crazy. But that's what I do, and I go in with cool all around to pretty much set my hair. But yeah, so that's a couple tips and tricks, but I totally recommend this to you guys. If you try it out, let me know. And yeah, I appreciate you so much for watching. Any comments, questions, concerns, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next one.